She wakes up. She's up now. No snooze button abuse today. Impressive start. Wow. Those sheets are so white and neat, they could blind you. She picks up air freshener. Hello, fresh wipes. Both bombs are just too basic. She's dropping 2 in the tub. She turns on the tap. And boom. Now that's a bath party. She sprays it like a whipped cream. Wow. Sounds yummy. Bath time or dessert, you decide. Face cleanup in progress. She grabs her micellar water, skincare time, serum, cream, and that glow up spray. Wait, melted chocolate on the glass? Wow. She puts the chocolate glass aside like, not now, grabs a fancy cup, adds some mystery green powder, matcha tea. She grabs another glass, red chocolate sauce, then milk, a snowstorm of ice, and boom, matcha green on top. She pours it all into the chocolate-dripped glass. She adds a straw. That's not a drink, that's a masterpiece.